I just want to thank you for the very warm welcome. I feel already part of this family. I feel very grateful for the opportunity. I see a lot of games from PSM in the last season. I was following the club, so I'm excited to start the journey here because I like what I saw. I think was the power I could see in the group, in the team. I believe the coach Bernardo make a good job, good foundation with the team since he's been here for about 3 years. I think the team have good foundation and the fans also seems amazing. So it was easy decision when I found out also that this club is the most traditional club in Indonesia. I would like to make part of the history, so I decided to join. Yeah, I've heard before about PSM Makassar on the time they were champion here in the league, I think 2-3 years ago, if I'm not wrong. So I knew that it's a well-known club in Indonesia, but I didn't have idea about how strong is the club and how many fans they have and how big they are here. Yeah, I want to just personally give my best to help the team, and I hope we can win a title again. I think the fans deserve that, and I think we can achieve this. I'm gonna put a lot of fight and a lot of. I always leave everything on the pitch from my side. I came here to work and be one more with the rest of the group, so they can expect just for me to give my best every game, every training, and I hope we can do something great together. I like to play as a winger and number 10 in the middle, or as a winger, but depends on the coach decision, coach formation. I'm here to help however he needs. I'm gonna be prepared and ready for whatever it comes. I just want to thank you for the very warm welcome. I feel already part of this family, and I hope I can bring happiness for these guys. Yeah, in the long term, I just want to collect some titles here with all the team, all the group together, and I hope everybody here can remember me for who I am and for being able to participate and help the team to grow and develop and just win titles.